Shopify Horizon theme customization. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can customize your Shopify's theme, mainly the Horizon theme. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is when you log in into your Shopify store, you want to come over here onto the left hand side where you will see you have online store right here. So just simply click on it. It'll take you to the online store section where you can go ahead and customize your website. So here you can see we have currently the Dawn theme active. You can see right here, and if you scroll down below, we can see some other options right here. So this is the Horizon theme right here. This is the one that we want, so we're gonna go ahead and add it. Usually Horizon is already added. I think they updated it because I remember when I opened up Shopify not too long ago, about a couple of months ago, the default theme had changed from Dawn to Horizon, and I think they changed it back to Dawn for some reason. I don't know why. So we're just simply going to install the theme right here. It'll take a couple of seconds, and once it's installed, we can go ahead and customize it and then publish it. All right, so it's now installed. Now we can go ahead and customize it. All right, so click on customize. It'll open up the editor. Now, one of the cool things about the Horizon theme is that it's quite simple. You can see right here, it's very similar to the Dawn theme instead, but the only difference is that, you know, it's laid out over here. All the products are laid out. I only have a couple of products, so let me go ahead and add a couple of more products and see. Okay, I do have a few, but they're not active. So what I'll do is I'll click over here. It's archived, so I'll unarchive it as well and click on unarchive products. There we go. And I'll also activate it as well. So status is going to be active. There we go. Click on save and do the exact same thing for the other one as well, just so that we have a couple of more products to work with instead of just having like an example of t-shirts. So I'll just activate that as well. Click on save, and then all right, now we are good to go. And now we can go ahead and go back into the online store, and now we can go into the editor of the Horizon theme editor, which is this one right here. And also you can check out the theme right here. It's very different. So now we can just simply, I'll actually publish the Horizon theme as well, you know, because why not? Since it's very similar to the actual theme as well. So now the Horizon theme is live. Now we can go ahead and customize it. Now, one of the cool things that you want to go ahead and customize is the first section right here. So here is the product section, right? And here you will be able to view the products right here, all products. Yep, connected. That's okay. Carousel, editorial, grid is fine as well. And over here, connect to a dyna. Let me try to replace the collection. There we go. Now it's much better. Now we should have more products over here instead of just one example of t-shirt. This is not okay. Should have more option over here. The title is fine. View all button. Where is that? I don't see that, but that's fine. This is the product card. This is another thing that you have to do. Go into product section, and then you have collection, right? And then we have this collection right here. I'll get rid of this one and delete this one. And we'll go ahead and create a new collection, and I'll name this collection all products. So click on all collection, and here we'll say all products. And here we'll just simply go ahead and browse them manually. We can sort them out automatically, but I'll just add them manually because it's much more quicker. Then click on save. Now we should be good to go. So now you know how to add a product and create a collection as well. And you know, now we can go into the online store section and then into the theme section. And now if we click on customize, now finally we will have, there we go. We now have some more product section. So here is the product section, of course. So now we can just simply go ahead and click on the front page. Now we can replace it with our own collection. This was just a demo one as well. So we'll click on save. All right, there we go. So it took a little while, but we are now good to go. So now you can see we now have a section right here. Now, one of the cool things is that if you don't like this grid style, right, there are other styles also. This is the feature. We can replace that. We'll delete that. Click on add section, and here if you scroll down below, you can also see we've got this grid section, editorial, carousel, bento. If you go with bento and you select your collection, right, you can see now it's a little bit different. And if we click on select, there we go. Now we can see all the product sections are available over here. Now it's pretty simple, although I don't really quite like it. We can change it to carousel like this one, or grid like this one. Why are they not showing me? That's weird. Okay, so this is a list. Let me go ahead and delete it, and now we can go ahead and there we go. Click on grid. That was a list. That was just a collection list. You need to have like multiple different collections to get that. There we go. So here is what I'm saying. So here we can go with carousel. this is how it would look like. Editorial, there we go. This is the carousel, I believe, right? Or this is the editorial. I'm confused now. But yeah, so we can go ahead and change up the overall, you know, dynamic of the page, since we have just 3 products. And here in the hero section, I want to change it. All right, I want to change the image. So for media, I'll explore some of the free images that Shopify has, and I'll go into fashion. I'll just select the first one because this one looks cool. Click on select. Now here we go. If we double click it, oh no, I thought we could, but now we're gonna edit the image. I want to make it a little bit down. Okay, not like that. I would like to change the overall image. I don't see that option. All right, maybe we can just change the overall image to something else. Select from the free images from the Shopify store. Here we got watches, fitness, and clothes. Fitness and sports. So from this section. No, I don't really like it. Okay, that looks much better, not gonna lie. That looks much better. So we're gonna select that. That's great. Now, one of the things that I would like to do is maybe here, instead of browse our latest, you know, products, we can change it to your own tagline and shop all, and get rid of the shop all button, since we already have all the products down below. And then down below, I would also add another section. So if we scroll down below, there should be some FAQ section over here. So we click on that. That'll add an FAQ section like so. And also I would like another section that could be like this one, like a marquee or like a large logo, right? If we go with that, this is how it would look like. I would rather this at the top. There we go. And instead of having this section right here, the hero section, can we get rid of that? Yeah, we'll delete that. Yeah, it looks much better right now. Over here, we can add our different image over here in the background. So for example, since it's already opened up, why is it down below? It should be up over here like that. There we go. And here is the logo. Here you can upload your own logo, of course. And here is the large logo. Here you can change up the color scheme to whatever you want. You have background media. Here you can select the media as well. Again, pretty simple. You can go with some of the free images that are available. So that image that I found was here, like so, like this one. Now the text overall does not quite fit, so we'll go ahead and change the color of the text. So here should be the logo. Yep, this is the text. We can go ahead and edit the logo within the theme. Here we can upload the logo instead of this one. Well, I kind of liked the other color of like this one. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, here we can overall color scheme, change it up. Yeah, like that looks good. What if we go with black and white like this one, and then we change up the image like that? There we go. Now we have a nice image with the background as well. We can even set a video over here if you have one. You can even set a video to it. I think a video would look pretty cool. And then down below also, I'll minimize this so that we can have a clear view. You can also add like a marquee over here. So this marquee could be right here, and here you can add your own whatever it is that you want to add, like a 30% off sales, whatever you want to go ahead and add. And once everything looks good, you should be good to go. Last thing is to go ahead and edit your footer section. You can see over here on the left hand side, this is your footer. Here you can add your own stuff to it. If you can go into the add section here, you will be able to see all the options that are available. So you can put whatever option you want within it. So like this one, icons with text, editorial notes, or whatever you want to call, whatever you want to add, you can add them. So pretty cool. This is how you do it. This is how you add. This is how you customize the Horizon theme. Then you can just simply save it. And I think it looks good. The overall website, you know, looks good. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.